Hi, my name is Graham, and today we're going to be reviewing the Acer SB 220Q BI 21.5-inch monitor. I've had this monitor in the box for 2 weeks, and I'm very excited because we're going to be replacing this from 2003, which is a Dell. It's a great monitor, but a little outdated, with this. And before I unbox it, I want to just tell you some of the features that it comes with. It is basically 75 millihertz monitor with HDMI. It is an IPS monitor, and Amazon gave it a 4.5 out of 5 stars rating out of 2,291 reviews. It does have the Radeon FreeSync, and a downside of it is there's no compatibility with the base amount, and the refresh rate, like I said, is 75 millihertz with the HDMI, and unfortunately it did only come with the VGA cable, but I did purchase an HDMI cable because that's what I want to use when I hook it up to my AMD graphics card. The response time is 4 milliseconds, and the aspect ratio is 16:9, and color support is 16.7 million, and the brightness is 250 nit. And I'm just getting back into tech, so forgive my ignorance. The tilt angle is between 5 to 15 degrees, and the horizontal viewing angle is 178 degrees, and the vertical viewing angle is also 178 degrees. It does also include the feature of the blue light shield. I have never had that before on the monitor, so this is all kind of new to me. So let's go ahead and open it up out of the box and see what it looks like. Okay. I should say that the resolution, I might have already mentioned this, but it is 1920 to 1080, so this is probably going to be the nicest monitor that I've ever had. You can get it on Amazon right now for right around $84 to $86. I know when I bought it on Cyber Monday, I believe it ended up with tax, it was like $95, so I'm going to go ahead and get paranoid about doing this. Okay. Instructions. And it does look like it does have a nice power cord with it. Looks like it'll be way more energy efficient than my older one. VGA cables for hooking it up. And this must be for sliding it into the stand. This is the base. Alright, so being very careful with it. Here it is. I'm going to take the plastic out of here. Okay, so here it is. My brand new monitor that I'm very excited to try out. I recently just got back into playing games, so I'm going to very carefully remove this. It's really light, which it's also the biggest monitor I've ever had, and my first ever Acer, so you can see that it is really quite thin, which is really cool. So VGA, HDMI, and power. At first I didn't see the buttons, but the actual buttons are right. Let me try and, of course, my camera probably won't pick it up, but the buttons are literally right here. So, trying to get this set up just to be on the safe side. pretty much self-explanatory, I believe. Okay, so there's a bunch of styrofoam in here, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this piece, those two little things right there, okay, so it just kind of goes in here. You're going to use a little bit of force, but not much. Right in here, there's going to be a little hole opening where you're just going to fit it in there, and you kind of got to wiggle it, get it inside, and then just put a little bit of pressure in there. And to get the base on there, you're going to match it up with the base right there. And there is actually a screw right here. And so what we're going to do is we're going to just take this, set it right on there, and just line it up. Support the monitor. Got my finger right here on the screw. Obviously don't over crank it, just get it nice and snug. And I saw online that people said that this monitor doesn't tilt. That is incorrect, because even just now I can tell that you can adjust it by the base. So that is incorrect. So this is my new Acer monitor, 220 QBI 21.5 inch monitor. I am really excited to have it, and I am going to go hook up to my computer, and this is Graham checking out.